In this video you will learn how to create new sites and the physical layout using the Mapper app to quickly and efficiently register your PV site in the monitoring platform. To create a new site, open the Mapper app and click the plus button. Add the site image, if you have it. Enter the site name. Enter the peak power. Choose the installation date. Add notes, if relevant. Tap Next. Default address is selected based on your mobile's GPS location. Use the search bar to locate the site's address on the map or drag the pin to a specific location on the map. Tap Next. Verify the address details are complete. Select the account the site belongs to. Select the module type installed in the site. Select the module manufacturer and model, type the first few letters of the name to begin the search. Tap Done. Tap Create Site to finish. The recently created site is shown in the site list. A site can also be created using the monitoring platform or SolarEdge Designer. Congratulations, you have successfully created your site with the Mapper app. Now you can create and edit your site layout.